Jingle bells.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is.
Well, hello and welcome to part 1 of Jingle Bells. Ready to get started? We're going to start with measures 1 through 4. That's part 1, measures 1 through 4. So take a look at measure 1 and notice that it's on the A string. Pluck the A string. And then put down 1 on the yellow, 2 on the white, and 3 on the red. And measure 1 sounds like this. We're going to go 3, 3, 3. And then measure 2 does the same thing. 3, 3, 3. And so far, that part would be Jingle bells, Batman smells. No, wait, I'm sorry. Jingle bells, jingle bells. And then measure 3 is where it gets a little trickier. Ready? It's going to start with the same 3 that we've been playing this whole time. 3, and then open E, and then open A, and then a 1 on the A string. And then the very last note of the line is just a 3 on the A string, and that's measure 4. And when we pluck it, we count to 4. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, done. Okay, now here's how the whole line sounds. Measure 3 was the trickiest part, but watch the whole line, and then you can practice it on your own, and that's all we're going to do for today. Ready? Here we go. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, E, A, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4. And that's it right there. Want to see it one more time? If you want to swing the rhythm at the end a little bit like that, you can. But that's all we're going to do for today. That's part 1. So give it some practice. If you're ready to go on to part 2, then, you know, go check that out. But otherwise, give yourself a round of applause. Good job.
Good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid.